Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Mallett and welcome to my course, Operationalizing Bash and Z Shell Scripts. First, a little bit about me. Now, I'm a Linux trainer and a consultant, and I work at my own company, the Urban Penguin, within the UK. This course is designed to give you the skills needed in developing the features that you need to make your scripts useful, efficient, and professional. As you progress through this course, you will learn the features that can be enabled to make interactive shells more useful. And of course, you will learn how to collect user input by using options before moving on to creating scripts that can run as services. Some of the major topics that we cover will include advanced shell options to aid directory navigation, using getops to process command line options, as well as, of course, creating systemd unit files. By the end of this course, you will be able to customize the shell environment for efficiency and security, as well as using options within scripts to reduce duplication. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Linux command line and executing commands. I hope you'll join me in this journey, learning the details that you've always wanted to know about operationalizing your scripts.